In this video, we're going to learn how to add media to your WordPress page or post. I'm in a page, but this applies to both pages and post. You have the little button that says Add Media. You can add media from the media library. If you have something that you want to choose from in there, you can. And what I suggest for SEO or search engine optimization, whatever your main topic focus word is, I would put it in here as your title. So you would insert it into page, and then you have the page, and then once you click on it, you can either align it to the left, align it to the center, or align it to the right, or no alignment whatsoever. If you want to edit it, you select edit. You can put a caption. You can center it here as well. You can pick the size, thumbnail 150 by 50, medium 300 by 173, full size, and you can set those sizes in the settings as well. And then this is where the actual file will live on your computer, and this is where it is. So if you ever want to put a link of one of the graphics from your website somewhere, you copy this link, and then I'm going to go to another browser, and then you'll see the page. Okay, so there's those are more advanced options. If you want to edit the original, you can. I normally edit my images in outside applications such as GIMP, or sometimes I've been using lately a lot of Canva, canva.com, canva.com. But what you can do is you can scale it, you can crop it, whatever you want. You can turn it around, rotate it clockwise, rotate it counterclockwise. So you can do a lot of things, but normally what I do is I do a lot of the editing outside of WordPress and just import it in. Click Update, Save Draft. We're going to preview the page with our graphic. And there it is. And this is the caption that I put on there. If you want to delete it, you delete it that way. If you want to add an image from your computer, you say upload. Either you can drop the files on to the web browser, or you can select it from your computer. And I'm going to just pick a graphic. It'll first come here and make sure there's a check mark. If you want to deselect it, you select it and it will no longer have that little check mark on there. But we want to select it, so we just click on it. And again, whatever your keyword, I would type that in. If you want a caption or anything like that, you can do that. And here's your photo. Again, these are the alignments, and this is how you edit it. And that is how you insert a graphic into WordPress. And this goes for, again, for pages and posts. So we're going to delete it. What we're going to do now is insert a video. We're going to insert a video from YouTube. First, let's go to a video. I'm going to click share, and usually this pops up. This is the default. So what you can do is just copy this URL into your page or post, and there you go. There's the video. And all it was your URL. You can also go into embed and copy this. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go into text, and I'm going to copy and paste that embed text into my text area. Let's go back to visual. And the same thing, this way it's not showing the first picture, but whenever you save draft, preview it, it will have the video on there. So there's a couple ways that you can insert your YouTube videos or different videos that you want on there. You can. I wouldn't suggest putting videos on your server, your website server, because it loads your website down and it'll be hard to access your website. So I would suggest either putting it on YouTube or another website, and then just put the link in here because it's a lot lighter on your website. Before we go, I wanted to go into Add Media and go over the insert options. If you wanted to create a gallery, you could. You could set your feature image in here, or you can insert from a URL. If you have a image somewhere on another website, you can copy that URL from that website, the location of that graphic, and you can insert it. Just as if I showed you before about how to grab your graphic from your WordPress site, you can do the opposite as well.